Matthew 8. After Jesus come down from the mountain, plenty people come follow him. One leper come meet him, kneel down for him front, come say, "Oga God, if you want, you go fit heal me, so that my body go well." Jesus touch the man, come say, "Yes, I want make you well." At once, the sickness come out from the man body. Then Jesus tell him, "No tell anybody, but go meet the priest, make he look you. After, go give the offering wey Moses command, to show say you don well." When Jesus enter Capernaum, one Roman officer come meet him, dey beg make he help him. The officer say, "Oga God, my servant no well for house. He no fit get up and body dey pain am well well." Jesus come answer, "I go come heal am." But the officer say, "Oga God, I no big reach way you go enter in house. Instead, just talk and my servant go well. Myself, I be man wey get oga, and I still get soldiers wey dey under me. If I command one say make he go go. If I command another one say make he come go come. And if I command my servant make he do this thing, he go do am." When Jesus hear wetin he talk, he surprise well. Then he tell the people wey dey follow am, "I tell una true word, I never see anybody wey get this kind faith for Israel." Many people from east and west go come follow Abraham, Isaac and Jacob chop inside God kingdom, but them go throw the people wey suppose enter the kingdom for darkness, where them go dey cry and grind their teeth. Then Jesus tell the officer, "Go, since you believe, na so it go be for you." Na that same time the servant well. When Jesus enter Peter house, he come see hey Peter wife mama no well. Then he touch the woman, and the fever come out from him body. So the woman get up, come begin serve them. When evening reach, them carry many people wey demon dey inside them come meet Jesus. He drive the wicked spirits come out, come heal all the people wey no well. This one make wetin prophet Isaiah talk the true. He remove our sickness and carry our disease come out. When Jesus see plenty people gather am, he come command him disciples make them cross go the other side for the river. One law teacher come tell Jesus, "Teacher, I go follow you go anywhere where you dey go." Jesus answer am, "Rabbit and bird get their own house, but man pikin will get where he go fit rest him head." Another disciple come say, "Oga God, make I first go bury my papa." Jesus answer am, "Follow me, make those wey don die bury their dead body." As Jesus enter the boat, him disciples come follow am. At once, strong breeze come dey blow for the sea, and wave wan sink the boat, but Jesus Christ dey sleep. So him disciples wake am, come say, "Oga God, save us, na die we dey so." Jesus answer them, "Una fake small o, wetin make una dey fear?" Then he get up, command the breeze and the waves, say, make them stop, and everywhere come quiet at once. The men surprise well, come dey ask each other, "Which kind man be this sef? Even breeze and wave dey obey am." When Jesus reach the other side where Gadarenes people dey stay, two men wey get demon run from the very ground come meet am. Nobody dey fit pass that road because the men wicked well. The demons come holler, "God pikin, make you leave us o, abi you come suffer us when time never reach." For where them dey, plenty pig dey chop near there. Then the demons beg Jesus, "If you drive us comot, make you send us go enter inside the pigs." So Jesus tell them, "Make you not go." At once, them come comot, enter inside the pigs, and all the pigs rush go enter the river, come die. The people wey dey look the pigs run go the town, come tell people everything wey happen to the men wey get demons. Then everybody for the town come dey find Jesus. When them see am, them come beg am make he come out from their area.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud but get sense.